do's and don'ts. The do's of pregnancy are: do take multivitamin. Eating a balanced diet which is rich in vitamin and minerals is the best way to provide the body with all the healthy nutrients which are needed for the support of the growing baby. Prenatal vitamins, they contain higher level of folic acid, calcium and iron that assist in the proper development of the fetus and prevents birth defects. Do get lots of sleep. The changing hormone levels, anticipation and anxiety of pregnancy, it can make the sleep elusive during 9 months of pregnancy. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Do work out to stay active. Regular exercise may help you to combat the issues that arise during pregnancy like insomnia, muscle pain, excessive weight gain and mood problems. Do practice yoga. You should seek out to prenatal and gentle yoga classes which are designed for mothers to be. Instructors in these classes will know which poses are best and which to avoid. Do visit your dentist. Teeth cleaning and dental care is must for pregnant women. It has no harm on the growing fetus. The gynecologists say that the pregnant females are advised to do oral health assessments regularly in pregnancy. Now comes the don'ts of pregnancy. So we should now focus on what we should avoid during pregnancy. First of all, it is do not smoke. Babies which are born to the women who smoke during pregnancy are more likely to have a lower birth weight, and they are at a greater risk of learning disabilities than the children born to the non-smoking mothers. Smoking during pregnancy, it increases the risk of serious complications in pregnancy, which includes miscarriage, stillbirth and premature deliveries. Do not drink alcohol. Alcohol may greatly impact your baby's development. People who think that drinking alcohol while pregnancy is safe should know that you could deliver a baby with fetal alcohol syndrome with the symptoms of low birth weight, learning disabilities, behavior problems, along with lagging patterns in terms of growth and development of the milestones. Now, don't drink a lot of caffeine. Caffeine can travel through the placenta and they can increase your baby's heart rate. High level of caffeine have been linked to pregnancy complications. Don't sit in hot water tub or sauna baths. Though relaxing, the high heat environment of the hot tubs, jacuzzis and saunas may be too dangerous for the expecting mothers. Avoid tattooing while pregnancy. Yes, we should avoid tattoo while during pregnancy. So, here comes the end of the topic, do's and don'ts of pregnancy. Thank you.